Hello everyone. I really hope you are keeping well, staying safe and staying indoors. I am in my house since Friday. Once I picked up my boy, I haven't left my home at all. So I'm making sure that I'm being responsible for my life and my family members' life by staying at home. I hope you are also doing the same. Today's topic is about, as you know, that coronavirus is spread through the things which comes in our home. It can be on your shoes, it can be on your clothes, it can be anything. So whatever is coming in the house, there is a biggest potential of you getting this coronavirus. Now we understand that of course you have to wash your hands and sanitize it and doing basic all the needs. So once again I'm going to say that I'm not going to talk about all those things because those things are available everywhere you can see there are forwards going on. So just be responsible for your life and everybody else's life and do not go out from your home unless you are a key worker, unless it is very necessary medicine, or you know what I mean. So now coming back to the topic of what I want to say today. As a Reiki healer, as a Reiki teacher and master since 2002, I have been giving healing to my food, to the medicine, to almost every single thing you can think about. So Reiki can be given for each and everything which comes in the house through the distance and to everywhere else in the world. So because of having this beautiful energy with me, I am giving Reiki every day at 11:11, and I urge all of you to also join me in for that. Now, the main topic of today. Okay, you might say, I am not a Reiki healer, I am not any kind of healer, and how can I help uh, my family be safe and the things which are coming in the house? The necessary cleaning process you must have heard, but what I am telling you about is you understand that everything that comes in the house and everything is in the air or everything is surrounding you is passing one or the other kind of energy. So that is all I'm going to talk about is the energy. So energy is very crucial, very important. Your immunity is going to play a very big role in your life for sure. Same way, the energy you are giving it to others, the energy, the way the things are coming into our home, that is also going to play a very big role. So how does this come? What is it behind all these things? So think about it as a situation. Okay, I'll tell you one thing, that uh, there is a shop and the food comes in the shop, and the person who is doing the shelving or the person who is selling the things might be worried about something which is already happening in their own life. Now what happens when this person is thinking about all these things? The person is still serving you, the person is still giving you all the things in spite of their own personal situation. So whenever the person is passing you to you something, is passing you that worry energy, the passing you that fear, the anxiety of financial problem or family problem or in-laws problem, any problems, whatever they have in their life, they are passing you all that in that grocery which you get it inside the house. Now, if you are lucky enough to have the servant and people work in the house, they might be unloading all this grocery and putting it in everywhere, in the house. At this situation, I really hope that you do not have anybody else coming out from, I do not want anybody else coming to your home, but a normal scenario, if you have a servant or if you have somebody who's looking after your family, they will be doing this. Now think about it. The grocery came with this worry energy. Now this person who is working, they might have their own problems. They might have their own stress. If not servant, you as a caretaker of your home, as a parent, as a in-laws or grandparents, you might be thinking so much in your mind. And now when you are unloading all these things, putting it everywhere, in the fridge, in the shelves, in the cupboard, you are touching those things and you are putting that energy, and now you are with those energy, you have kept it there. Okay, you got the point. So it is passed from the shop from your people, and now it is on your house, in your house. everywhere. This thing is in your house everywhere. All the different emotions, all the different feelings. If you are cooking food, for example, at this time, you are listening to all the news, everything is going on in the background, in the TV. You are stressed, you are worried, or you are not worried about it at all. But all the energy which is playing in the background is going in your food. So how can we make sure those all this energy, this flood of those energy, how can we make sure that we are not passing it on to the child, to the parents, to the grandparents, to your in-laws, to your own self, that it doesn't touch those kind of energy, doesn't touch yourself. Okay, there is one very simple and very one basic thing which I absolutely loved. When I heard about it, I was like, really, is it that simple and that easy? Then why don't people know about it? So please keep watching, because I'm going to talk about it, how you can do it. First of all, if there is thing in your house which is there for a long time, if you are at home and you are doing this spring cleaning thing, we used to do like, a duster or something, and we are, taking off all the dust. Same way, when something is there, maybe a box, for example, playing cards, you think, okay, let's, because as we are at home, let's utilize this time and let's have these playing cards. So now you have these playing cards lying around in the house for so long. This card has taken all the energy from the environment, and the person who will be playing it would get all this energy. The best thing is, imagine, visualize this as a box or the cards. Now you just have to do, this is very important, you just have to do 1, 2, 3, tapping it for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The faster, okay, do it one more time with me. 1, 2, 3. What you have done? You have dusted off whatever the negative energy or whatever the energy was there basically in the house. You have dusted it off. How wonderful and how easy it is. Okay, I understand we can't be doing it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in house everywhere. What else can be done? If you have a bell like this one, okay, come on, yeah, or you can do it this way. And what you are doing, have a bell like this or a physical bell, and go in the house, starting from the door, everywhere in the house. If you know any mantra or if you know any symbols, anything, you can play some nice music, healing music or clearing music. Walk in your full house and start cleaning it everywhere. That would work fantastic, because what you are doing is you are taking off all the energies which was there in the house before, and it is clearing. If it is possible, open all the windows, but if it is not, do not do that. But if you can, open all the windows in your house, start doing this chanting, and then, or just start playing this bell, and you will see the house or the energy is getting clearer. So one thing is, tap it 3 times, do the bell. There are few more things. If you have incense stick or a dhoop as we call it, or sage, what you can do is go in the house with this bell, like in few tradition, like one of the tradition is Indian tradition, which I am born, so we have this incense stick and we have the bell and we go in the house everywhere. But if I'm not talking about just following the tradition, it's about just clearing the house, just clearing this heavy energy which is going on, going around everywhere, especially at this time, very crucial. So do this, either you can do the lamp, candle, incense stick, bell, or this tapping thing. That definitely you must do it at this time. Teach your children, teach everybody, teach your loved ones. If you like it, pass on my video, share my video with others, or just pass the information. Whatever works at this situation, just do it. One more thing which is very crucial, very important. Once the food is ready, once you have made the food for the family, all you are doing is close your eyes or open your eyes, whatever way, because understand, the food has come from everywhere with all the energies inside. All you are doing is just praying to the higher conscious, to the God, whoever you believing in it, and just ask them to bless your food. Ask them to bless your food. Or I like this way. This has been taught in Reiki, but as I said, if you are not healer, you can still do it at home. You are just putting your hand on top of all your food. You can do it individually if you are making rice or curry or chapati or pasta or whatever. And now you are visualizing that this food has beautiful energy. The person who is eating this one is feeling absolutely wonderful. There is absolute happiness, peace. Everybody has the best immunity because that is very important. That's what we need. So everybody is blessed with beautiful energy, beautiful. Everybody's mind is at calm, at peace. They are understanding the situation and working accordingly. So this is wonderful way you can bless the food your way. Either you do it as a god, you can involve the god in it, or you can just do it by yourself. It is definitely going to work. So few things: tapping, you know it, right? Bell, incense sticks, candle, light a diya or a lamp as we call it, and bless your food. Everything which comes in your house, it is going to get all this heavy energy. Not at even this time, otherwise also you can just do it. One more very important thing, if you can't, if you have a really big house and you think I can't do it, of course you can split it in two parts. You can definitely split into parts. Do one room today, do second room tomorrow, but start doing it. One more thing which is very lovely, which I like it and which I do it quite often, is, you know, the house or wherever you are, the premise, your shop, your building or whatever, go into the center of it. So if this is a circle, like a square, not a circle, of course, we will have square walls kind of. So circle or square, go into the center of your home and start doing the bell, or if you don't have the bell, it's okay, just start doing the clapping. And the more fast you can do the clapping, what is happening is it's clearing all the environment, all the energy. It's creating a beautiful, like the waves of a beautiful energy, and that is going to help in your house at this time. At the same time, it will help you mentally as well, that you are doing something very positive, very beautiful for your home. I really hope you like all these tips. If at all you want to ask me anything else, you can comment down below, or you can email it to me, or you can reach out to me if you know my number, or message me. Try this and let me know how does this happen to you. How do you feel? How do you feel the energy? I have heard from people, my student, that the energy was heavy, but after doing all this process, the energy has gone down. When I talk about energy, is the energy of everybody. Sometimes we like somebody and we say, oh, this person has a good energy, it's a good aura. So I will cover onto it tomorrow. Yes, I could not make a video yesterday, so I'm sorry for that. If you are watching me every single day, I'm making videos every single day. I didn't make it yesterday, but I will try and make video every single day. Until then, I really wish all of you a very happy and safe life. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and share with others. This is going to be very beneficial for your loved ones, for your family members, or in general, everybody. So please share it with others, and I really wish you all a beautiful life. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now. Love you.